Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Yogita's Rehab Point. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the basic concept of the anatomy, which is bone. So before starting with anything related to the anatomy, I think understanding bone is very important for every medical student, I guess, not only for physiotherapists, like for everyone. So let's begin with that. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the contents, about the function, development and the structure. So bone is made up by a specialized connective tissue, and you know that number of bones together make up a skeleton system. Tell me in the comment section how many bones are there in the skeleton system as well. So firstly we will discuss the functions. So bone basically protect the vital organs such as brain, lungs, heart. It store calcium and it is also concerned with hemopoiesis. So there are two fun facts. 30% of the bone is made by type 1 collagen and 70% of the bone is mainly made up by calcium. So basically the bone is the largest storehouse of the calcium. So talking about the bone development, two types of ossification is there. Are also three type of bone cell, which is osteoblast, osteoclast and osteocyte. And the bone internally is made up of osteon. So the next thing, which is the portions of the bone. So basically the bone is made up of cortex and the medulla. I'll tell what is cortex and medulla. So medulla is basically the soft structure of the bone, which is majorly calcium. And in the medulla there is also presence of marrow, which is the origin of white blood cells and the red blood cells. If we talk about the cortex, cortex is the hard structure of the bone, which basically provides strength to the bone and also attachment for the various muscle, tendons and the ligaments. So cortex is the hard structure and the medulla is the soft one. So the next thing is the parts of the bone or the structure of the bone. The bone has three parts: epiphysis, metaphysis and the diaphysis. Basically in this diagram you can clearly see all of them. So that was about this video. I'm gonna make the next video about the type of the bone. So tell me if you are interested in the comment section. Stay tuned. Bye everyone.